guys, welcome to Curly Fitness 1980 and welcome to another video. So I was just about to go ahead and do some grocery for the family and I realized that I haven't done my 8-month update with you guys yet, and I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't done one. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and get one out of the way right now. And again guys, happy new year. Hope everybody's having a good new year start, and I hope you stick to your whatever your resolution is. Stay focused on that because that's going to be very important. And also I am going to start a 7-day cleanse very soon, so definitely subscribe, hit the notification box so that way when I load those videos so you guys can see them first, because I'm telling you, 2018, we coming for you. We are coming for you because we are alive, we are blessed already. We just have to make a few changes. And one of the things I always say to people, if whatever you were doing back in 2017 didn't work for you, don't expect it to work 2018. So that means you need to change a few things in your life. So with that being said, so if you haven't watched my video about my breast capsular contractor, I will put a link below so that way you guys can check that out. And also I will put a link down below for my mommy makeover playlist, so that way you know exactly what I'm about, what my channel is about. The whole thing about the tummy tuck was done. It wasn't because I was unhappy with my body after the pregnancy. It was just I had to get it done because I had hernia, my muscle was separated, and I had loose skin because I've always been on like 105, 110 and carry the twins and everything, and I've always been a fit girl. So after having the twins, obviously things happen, and then I was left with a little bit of loose skin and I had to take care of that. So with that being said, let me just go ahead and talk to you guys about the capsule contractor. So this breast is very soft and it's normal, and this breast here is where this is like my second surgery on this breast. So I fixed it, and then the capsule contractor started coming back again, and I had a very rough holiday season. You know, with the last video that I did for you guys, I talked to you guys about, you know, the thing that I'm going through and what I've decided to do about the capsule contractor, because I really don't want to go under the knife again, and that is not an option. If I do have to go under the knife again, my decision will be just remove the implant all at once. So after doing a lot of research, and I find out that there is something called Aspen therapy. Aspen therapy, technically what that is that it's a machine where it's specialized. It's like an ultrasound machine that's specialized in breaking that capsule to help it to smooth out. Because remember, capsular contractor, it's a bunch of blood that's pretty much around the implant that's kind of like making it very hard. And in other words, your body is pretty much saying that I don't want that in there. So after doing my research and during the holidays, my husband, you know, I had to break the news to my husband after I told you guys about it, because I know he's probably gonna watch my video and be like, oh my god. So I did break the news to him, and I told him I didn't want anything for Christmas. All I want was to get that money for my breast. So sure enough, he's just an amazing husband. I couldn't ask for more. And he was like, even though he didn't listen to me what I said, I didn't want anything for Christmas, it's because I feel bad and that my body's doing all that. So we have decided that we're going to do the Aspen treatment therapy. So I went for my consultation. I met with Tim, which is, he's the one that come up with this whole Aspen therapy massage thing. So I talked to him and he explained everything to me. So in another video I will go into details, because let me tell you guys, I have faith, and I believe that God will help me through this. So I've done my first treatment yesterday, and I have to tell you, it was painful, but already I've seen a little bit of relief with the pain that I was feeling. And I have to do a lot of homework. My daughter has to help me doing some massage. My husband has been helping me some massage. So there's a lot of massage involved at home. In the middle of it all, I have to keep this bench strip for 22 hours. So the only time I take this off, that's when I'm doing my massage 3 times a day, and when I'm taking a shower twice a day. These are the only time this come off. I have to sleep with this and everything. So as you guys can see, that's what I have going on. I will do a separate video catered to this capsular contractor. So I am doing 10 treatment. I started treatment number 1 yesterday, so I will definitely keep you guys posted on that. So without any so that's it. So right now, as far as the tummy go, guys, I'm still doing the same exact thing from the last 7-month update. I'm still doing the same thing. I'm still doing the same thing. Now, I am still using the Biocom, I think you call it. I will post a picture. I think I did already, but I will post a picture on there. I've been using it now for over a month now, and I have seen results. I think it works best. I think I like it better than the Scar Away gel. But if you're just starting to have any kind of surgery, I would say start with the Scar Away gel first, and then, you know, as the healing progress, you can move to the Biochrome. I think that's how you call it. One thing I like about it is because it also has SPF 15, so if you're in the sun, your scar is always protected, and I really like that. So I've been using that for a month. I will go into more detail to let you guys know if it's worth $120, because I will never come up here and talk to you guys about a product that's $120 that you're gonna be like, oh my god, I waste my money. So far I like it. It's been a month. You guys gonna see the scar I'm about to show you, so you can make your own judgment from my last video if you see any different in terms of the healing of the scar. So I will go ahead and have my daughter hold the camera for me, because I'm still learning this whole camera thing. And on that note, guys, let's just go ahead and check the stomach, okay? All right, so I don't want to hear anything from YouTube, so gotta cover certain things. My daughter's holding the camera for me. So this is a scar. And my belly, I have a few stretch marks, which I'm doing a few treatment for it. And this is post-holiday, eating everything not on my diet lately, which I'm about to start very soon, because I want to get back in shape for the summer. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any question whatsoever, leave them down in the comment below. And also, I want you guys to comment if you guys want to do the 7-day cleanse with me. Go ahead and then let me know you guys want to do the 7-day cleanse with me, so that way I can go ahead and do a video, everything we're gonna be using for the 7-day cleanse. And then if you haven't subscribed to my if you haven't followed me on my social media, I do have a Curly Fitness page where I'm gonna start when I do the cleanse, I will talk about it daily on there, and also on Instagram as well. They both are Curly Fitness 1980. Please go ahead and like my Facebook page, and also like my Instagram page. On my Curly Fitness page on Facebook, I have been doing a few Creole video, but nothing to worry about. For those of you guys who don't speak Creole, I'm still doing my English videos. Don't worry about that. Even the one that I do have in Creole on my Curly page, I will also do those videos in English as well. So right now, all the video that you two or three video that I have on there in Creole is everything that I already have in this channel. So nothing new, but when I do have something new, if I have to do it in Creole, in English, I will. I really don't know what direction that I want this channel to go. If I want to do like a playlist of Creole, or if I want to do a different channel. But right now, this is my main focus, is to grow my channel that I have started with you guys, and you guys have been so supportive. I really love every single one of you guys who have leave a comment, good or bad, thumbs up, thumbs down. The fact that you click to watch this video, it means so much to me. I really hope you guys have a great one, and be blessed for 2018. Let's take care of ourselves. And if you guys have any question, again, please let me know. I'm here to help. On that note, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification box, share my video, help me out so I can grow my channel. because I really want to bring a lot of awareness for health and fitness and how we can better care ourselves for 2018 and going forward. So with that being said, guys, please be you, be fit, be blessed.